Now look at that. But yeah, these guys still have got a ways to grow though. You know, they're not done growing yet. They're still growing. And just absolutely gorgeous, right? What is up, Mycophiles? Here's another Patreon repost for you guys. If you're new here, go check out my main channel, Mycophilia. You won't regret it. And if you'd like to see fruiting videos like this 1 month ahead of everybody else, consider subscribing to my Patreon. A 1-week free trial is now available, along with dozens of free educational fruiting videos. I hope you guys enjoy this video. What is up, patrons? This is Mycophile Sage checking in here again today. So I'm back from my little break. I hope you guys are doing well. Check out these Semper Vivas guys I have going on Agar. But anyways, the purpose of this video is to show you guys how the Tampanensis shoeboxes are doing. So the last video I released on YouTube, I showed like a bunch of Primordia, a bunch of hyphal knots looking very well. So here is the update video to that. So let's open these guys up and see how they go. So we'll start with this one. Wow. Now look at that. They are looking very, very happy. So I had to neglect them for about 4 days. I made sure to mist the casing layer a ton. So I misted them back up once I got back from my holiday today. And as you can see, looking pretty good. So this is multispore directly from the multispore plate. And as you can see, there are barely any truffles. In fact, there's some like really small truffles coming out like here, but generally like none, right? Comparatively to what we've had before. So this is very good. It means that the mycelium is focusing on producing fruits rather than truffles at the moment, which is what we want. And so let's go to the second, the second one, which I think is a little more impressive. Check that out. We got a lot of nice clusters coming in here, guys. Just absolute beauties. Absolute beauties. And hopefully these guys will open up their caps. Wow. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I love the way they look now that I've misted them. So yeah, check it out, guys. Especially this corner. This corner is my favorite here. We are gonna be partying tonight. Not just joking. So yeah, there's a lot of fruits, but the fruits are a little bit smaller than usual, but that's to be expected, especially for a heavy first flush as we have here. I think these guys will flush for at least 2 more decent, hopefully canopies or bigger mushrooms anyways. So yeah, these guys still have got a ways to grow though. You know, they're not done growing yet. They're still growing, and just absolutely gorgeous, right? So yeah, guys, my trip, honestly, it wasn't as restful as I expected, but like, you know, I guess it's just a mind thing. Like, you know, it's like changing the scenery can help a bit, but it's not like, you know, if your mind's always turned on, then, and I don't mean like in a psychedelic way, but like, you know, to what you got to do and things, then, you know, it doesn't matter where you're at. But yesterday I did actually summon the courage to eat the mushrooms that I did bring with me. And so I was debating on what I should bring, but I wanted to try the TTBVIs because I haven't had a proper trip on them yet. So I brought with me 0.35 grams, and then I also brought a 0.3 grams top up just in case that wasn't enough. And I know a lot of you guys who haven't tripped on pans may think, well, it's only 0.35 grams. That's like nothing, right? I mean, like in cube terms, it's nothing, absolutely. And many other species as well. But it was, honestly, it was comparable to like an eighth of regular core lovers. Maybe even more powerful if it's, you know, just like mid-level potency. But like it was very, very, very visual. So I'm gonna make a specific trip report / maybe species talk on pans coming up soon. I might just make a trip report for now. But it was an interesting trip. Yeah. I'll just say this for now. It was extremely visual. Extremely visual. Really visual. And in terms of anxiety and stuff, I had some, which is normal, but it was pretty smooth. Comparatively, the come up and stuff was pretty smooth. That's not to say there wasn't an anxiety. You know, it's not like a magic bullet, but it just felt pretty much like a pure psilocybin experience. And I feel that's more so, like, in a sense, it sort of lacked character compared to some other species I've tried. It was sort of in the sort of lysergic like acid, in the sense that it basically is a tool in that it provides you a space to basically figure things out yourself, rather than sort of like a spirit quest, you know, like a spirit is guiding you or whatever, you know, that kind of thing. that's more associated with mushrooms and ayahuasca and cactus and stuff like that. It felt a little bit more cerebral. But that's not to say it was bad. It was very visual, and it was a good experience, you know. I felt like it really reset a lot of things and sort of reset me in a sense. So yeah, thanks for your support as always, everybody. Really appreciate all of you guys sticking around here and, you know, basically making my dreams a reality. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side. So I will obviously be posting updates for you guys with these beautiful specimens. And I will make another video in the coming days of what's going on with the Natalensis tubs, because some weird stuff is going on. And of course, we also have the Semperviva going on here, and they are looking very promising so far. I am very excited to see how these guys do. All right, guys, have a great day or night. Mycophile Sage, checking out for now.